Step number 4 in our system is our top coat. Dazzle Dry Top Coat is high gloss, non-yellowing, quick drying, long wearing, and self-leveling. You don't have to be a master polisher. If there are any minor imperfections in the polish application, the top coat will self-level and smooth it all out. It is goof-proof. Remember to never, ever, ever warm the top coat. The base coat should be warmed to decloud it, but never the top coat. Once your second layer of polish has dried matte, you're going to apply a generous layer of top coat. Use the tip of the brush to glide over and burst any air bubbles that may have formed while it is still wet. And it also helps to have really good overhead lighting so that you can make sure you see well. Now that we have applied top coat, that is it. That is your Dazzle Dry application process. You see how easy that was? No drying drops, no sprays, no lights, no dryers. Wait 5 minutes, your polish is completely dry. Pro tip, to prevent dulling of your top coat, avoid coming in contact with alcohol-based products. If your manicure does dull, you can simply touch it up with 1 layer of base coat, followed by 1 layer of top coat. This will refresh your shine and extend the life of your manicure. Now that it's been 5 minutes, this is the moment of truth. Can you guys hear that? I mean, how impressive is that? I'm literally stabbing this and there's nothing. It looks perfect. Isn't this impressive? Dazzle Dry truly gives you your time back and your life back in just 5 minutes. You don't have to wait 24 hours like you do with traditional polish for all the layers to dry and fuse together. 5 minutes is all it takes and you're completely dry. Now you can dig into your purse. You can put on your seatbelt. You can brush your teeth, wash your face, whatever it is you need to do, it gives you your life back and you're not going to smudge your nails. That's the beauty of Dazzle Dry.